In this video, we're going to learn the future with going to.
He is going to take a photo in 1 hour.
She is going to draw a picture in 5 minutes. They are going to cook next weekend. He is going to sing a song in the next festival. I am going to go shopping next month. He's going to read a book tomorrow. I am going to fly on a plane next summer.
They are going to play football in 6 days.
I am not going to play chess next Sunday. He isn't going to build a house in 5 years.
They aren't going to fall to the ground.
He isn't going to win a medal in the next competition. They aren't going to speak English tomorrow.
He isn't going to watch the sun next afternoon.
They aren't going to run later. She isn't going to write tomorrow. Is he going to go to school in 10 months? Am I going to do my homework next Friday?
Are you going to sleep a lot next weekend? Are they going to feel happy next summer holidays? Are we going to drink water after the match? Are they going to do judo in 2 years? Is he going to have lunch at school tomorrow? Is he going to have a picnic in 2 weeks?